What's up, guys? How you doing today? Rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. This came from a little grocery store real quick. Got a surprise for you guys in the next couple of days. You ain't gonna believe where I'm gonna be at. But right now, going back to my hostel, aka the hostel, and I'm gonna show you my room. Show you where I'm staying at. I got a private room, man. This hostel, they have how can I say it? They have rooms with more than one occupancy, like more than a couple people can be in the room, but they gave me a private room and it's $20 a day. I'll let you see what you're working with $20 a day. Try to keep it cheap as possible because I'm on the road forever, never like bad weather. So the colonial I'm in is called Zona Colonial, and let me make my way to this hostel. We are a couple feet away from it, but as you can see, everything here is look at the building structure. You can see. I won't even say, you can see it for yourself. Everything looks colonial, old school. So hold on. Where I'm staying at right here, man. Security is everything out here, man. Everything. Put my bag down. Now I gotta mess with this door. So if you're asking about security, it's gated. Everything is gated. Where I'm staying at. Also, just got some food too. Just got some juice to go with my food. Let's see. Man, the store gives me trouble every time, but it's for you guys, man. But I got a special surprise coming up in the next 24 hours. Philly Dom is worldwide. Okay. Got it open. Let me lock it real quick. A lot of security, man. So if you guys ask if you safe in the hospital, if you ask if you ever safe in the hospital, hell yeah. You safe in the hospital. One thing about this hospital is all females staying here. I only got, well, me and one of the owners, he stays here. But this is the check-in area right here. I don't know, they went with this old colonial style. That's their little gimmick. Can't knock them, it works for them, so that's what they gotta do. Like I'm sleeping in an old castle or something. There you go. I see that. Boom. 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 Check in right here. Boom. Usually have somebody at the desk, but the guy was always sleeping because he's lazy. No, he's not lazy. They just be chilling, man, relaxing. I'm just messing around. Cool people, cool vibes. This is the little kitchen area. That's where we eat at. There you go. Oh my goodness gracious. Fix that in a second. Okay. It's my food. I'm showing you my place, but I'm about to eat this. Get a little bite. Really done a little chicken. That's chicken right there. You see it? Good. Delicious. Our bad. I'm the H2O, Dominican candy. Check out the kitchen. Have a full kitchen. Want to cook? There you go. I'm living, man. I'm in the Dominican Republic, man. Want water? There's the water right there. Refrigerator, you see it. So you put your stuff in here, you put it in with your name, and they put it in here for you right here. Freezer, boom, boom. Walk around. Food down lazy, you gotta wash and dry. That's my clothes right there. I gotta take them out in the next 5 or 10 minutes. Right there. It's the dryer. Hopefully when the beautiful woman walk out that room. But this little courtyard area right here. I'll walk through the whole thing and let you see it. Then I'll take you to my room. I'm staying in this room right here, but I changed up rooms. I should have did the video from there. That's a nicer room. Some people wash their clothes and stuff here. If you want to wash it by hand, if you need it fast. Since I've been here, I've seen them use the barbecue right here. Little small barbecue. Nothing basic, something you can get at Walmart. Barbecue right there. And this is the courtyard. But this is out of all the hostels I've ever stayed in, this one is the quietest hostel ever. Like, you might hear music or something for a little bit, but after that everybody just relaxes and just stays in their room because they have air conditioning in the room. Let me show you my shared bathroom. The room I stayed in before, I didn't have to share bathrooms, but since I switched up, I had to share bathrooms. But here's the bathroom right here we stand. If you're in a shared room in the hostel. It's basic, but it's nice, you know. Restroom. Welcome to my humble abode. Let's see the air conditioner first. Got the air conditioner popping right there. I ain't clean everything. I want you to see how Dominic, aka Philly Dom, is living. Laptop. Control for this. It's a half bed. The other one I had a full bed, but this is a lot cheaper, $10 cheaper. Towel right here. It's another room right there, but you know some other people staying there. Closet. Get a lot of closet space. I'm packing up because I'm going to another location. Got a big surprise for you guys coming up, man. I'm like, oh, Philly Tom be making moves. Got a little big surprise coming up, man. Big surprise. Got your own TV. I'm here by myself. On TV. Got cable. Got all the stations. This is my passport. This is my passport. And the Wi-Fi code right there. I got good Wi-Fi. Let you see the whole room again. This is the room. With the one and only Philly Dom stand. Look at the floors, colonial floors. Somebody said they gotta keep the floors like this. Because this is the colonial, zona colonial area of Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. A famous book bag I've been moving around with. Go back in the courtyard. This is it, man. I'll put the description of the hostel in there. It's called Chorm Hostel. Cleaning person must have took a break. As you can see, they washed all the clothes. I mean, not the clothes, but the sheets and stuff for the rooms. They didn't put them out in certain people's rooms yet. Man, I gotta get my clothes out. That's my clothes right there. Gotta get my clothes out. I'm gonna do it now. Pretty soon, once I complete this video. And this is it, man. This is how I'm living, man. And the Dominican food, man. The food is excellent, man. This food is excellent, man. Let me get another bite while I talk to you. And I got these plaques. New York time, Santo Domingo time, Paris time. But this is it. That's where I'm staying. I got some stuff in there, I don't know, some souvenirs, stuff you can buy, like shirts, Santo Domingo shirts and stuff. You know, they trying. They still got their Christmas decorations up yet. They didn't take them down yet. This is it, man, and this is a card game that they play. They usually play dominoes on here like that. If you go anywhere in the Dominican Republic, everybody playing dominoes, man. But this is another game that they play. I forgot the name, they told me what it was yesterday. Let you see outside a little bit. The area where I'm at. Let's let you guys see everything. And this is it, man. And then everybody was asking about lockers. This is lockers where you can put your stuff at. Right here. If you want to buy it and mess with your stuff, they give you a key. And you can put your stuff in these lockers right here. Anything important like passports. Anything you want to put in here, you can put in there. Yeah, just, it's like a little castle, man. Bon appetit right there. So that's it, guys. Let me put the camera on me. Guys, got a big surprise coming up for you. Next 24 hours, you're gonna be shocked. Philly diamonds all over the place worldwide. And more videos to come in the future from Haiti and the Dominican Republic, but I got a small surprise for you. So stay tuned, take care, and peace out. And guess what? I'll see you guys in the next video. So now I'm gonna just walk through the courtyard real quick, and that'll be the end of the video. Stay out of the camera. Unless you wanna say, hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? These are some of the people that stay here with me. They're shy. But that's it. Talk to you guys later. Peace out from the Dominican Republic.